Raindrop Peperomia, also known as raindrop plant, is an easy-to-grow tropical houseplant native to Colombia and Peru. Peperomia raindrop and most other peperomias are epiphytes, meaning they are found growing on the surface of something else, like the cracks of trees or rocks, and take nutrients from the surroundings instead of out of the ground. The leaves are shiny and teardrop shaped and hang elegantly from the plant. The shiny leaves give the plant a sense of movement. Peperomia raindrop plants produce slender, bushy flowering spikes that are greenish-white and covered in tiny flowers. These odd-looking blooms produce a slightly sweet smell. Peperomia raindrop plants require high humidity, well-draining substrate, and bright filter light to mimic their native Colombian rainforest environment. It will thrive in average household temperatures of 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and must be allowed to dry between waterings as it is highly drought tolerant. Because it's an indoor plant, peperomia can be grown by itself or with any combination of other potted plants. These little plants work well when placed on a windowsill or desk, and they look excellent paired with other leafy plants. Other peperomia varieties or large leaf plants such as caladiums can help to create a full rainforest appearance. Flowering plants such as orchids also work well with a backdrop of peperomias. Peperomia don't just have the benefit of being quirky little houseplants, they also clean the air. One common household toxin that peperomias are good at getting rid of is formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is found in the air of many households and is found in many building materials and household objects and products. The gas itself is colorless but can have a strong odor.